everyone, my name is Isha and today I am here to discuss about my topic spreadsheet. First of all, what is spreadsheet and what is meaning of spreadsheet? A computer application program that stores and processes numerical data in the form of a table is called spreadsheet software. Spreadsheet has rival method for analyzing the data stored in it. Data may also be presented in graphical form in spreadsheet program. A spreadsheet program uses worksheet and workbook. A worksheet consists of a number of columns and rows. The columns are labeled with letters like A, B, C, D, E and so on. And the rows are labeled with numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. Spreadsheet processes are used for business application, scientific and engineering application. Modern spreadsheet programs have multiple intermingled sheets to display numerical and text data in graphical form. Microsoft Excel is a modern spreadsheet computer application program or software that is most popular today. MS Excel is developed and manufactured by Microsoft. Next is use of spreadsheet. Spreadsheet programs are basically used for the process numerical data. These processes are widely used for processing the numerical data. Spreadsheet program provides easy method for analyzing data and presenting high quality graphics output. The effect of any change in this output data is intermediated shown in the output. Next is basic feature of spreadsheet program. There are many spreadsheet program software available in market. This program provides similar functions and features. The basic feature of a spreadsheet program are given below. Grids, row and column. The spreadsheet consists of a grid of columns and row. The columns are labeled with letter A, B, C, T and so on. And the rows are labeled with number 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. Interaction of a column and row is called cell. Each cell may contain numeric or text data. Value or data are entered in cell. Next is function. Function are used in spreadsheet software to evaluate value and perform different kind of operation. Formulas. Formulas are used in spreadsheet to express the relationship of two or more cells. Commands. Spreadsheet program provides several types of commands for value manipulation. Text manipulation. Spreadsheet program also provides commands for text manipulation. Printing. Printing feature is used to obtain a hard copy of prepared spreadsheet. Next is user interface of spreadsheet. When a spreadsheet program starts, the window that is displayed is known for the program. It consists of menus, toolbars, windows, dialog box, etc. Title bar. The topmost bar is called the title bar. It displays the name of workbook. It also have control buttons that are used to minimize, maximize, restore or close the workbook. Menu bar. Menu bar contains pull down menus. The menus contain all the commands to perform different operations. Next, toolbar. Toolbar contain index or shortcut of frequently used commands. The standard formatting or drawing toolbars are the important and frequently used toolbars. Formula bar. It shows the data or value of the active shell. It is used to enter formula into the shell. It is also used to edit the content of data of a shell. Shell address. The interaction of a column and row is called a shell. It is the basic unit in the worksheet is called its address. It is specified by its column, letter and row number. For example, the shell at the interaction of column A and row 5 is given the address A5. Column header. The horizontal bar at the end of column is called column header. It shows the label of columns. Columns are labeled with letters like A, B, C, D. The worksheet can have up to 256 columns. Columns header also used to select columns. A single click on column header select the entire column. Row header. The vertical bar on the left of row is called row header. It shows the heading or the number of rows. The rows are labeled with number like 1, 2, 3 and so on. The worksheet can have up to 65.536 rows. Row header are also used to select columns. A single click on the row header select entire row. Sheet tab. A set of tabs at the bottom left corner of workbook are called worksheet tab. These tabs shows the number and name of worksheet in the workbook. The workbook name can be edited. The sheet tab are used to activate the selected sheet. Status bar. This is the bottommost bar on the spreadsheet interface. It provides information about the current worksheet. Next is ribbon. Ribbon contains tabs of command grouped by the function. The home tab is selected. Worksheet area. Worksheet area contains the worksheet itself. Graphs. Graphs are typically based on worksheet data and can be inserted into the worksheet area. Next is this formula step for making spreadsheet in PC. Step 1. First click start button. Step 2. Then we select Microsoft Office in it and then we choose Micro Excel file. Step 3. Pick up the blank document for making Excel file. Then enter the data into the spreadsheet. In spreadsheet, we wrote student name, registration number, subject name, marks obtained by per student in per subject, obtained marks given by per student, average and grade. Step 4. Finding marks obtained by the student by using the formula is equals to sum brackets subject 1 plus subject 2 plus subject 3 bracket close. Second, after find the marks obtained, then calculate the average of each student by using formula is equals to obtained marks divided by total marks multiplied by 100. Step 5. After finding the average of each student, then find out the grade with the following criteria. First, if the student has scored average marks greater than or grade equals to 80, then student will get A plus grade. And if the student has scored average marks greater than or equals to 70, then student will get grade A. And if the student has scored average greater marks than or equals to 60, then student will get grade B. Fourth, if the student has scored average marks greater than or equals to 50, then student will get C grade. And if the student had greater than equals to 35 or less than 35, then he or she will declared fail, and it will be found by using this formula is equals to if bracket JZ is greater than equals to 80, then A grade. If JZ is greater than equals to 70, then A grade. If JZ is greater than equals to 60, then B grade. If JZ is greater than equals to 50, then C grade. And if JZ is less than equals to 35, then fail. Last but not the least is purpose of using spreadsheet. Spreadsheets are an essential business and accounting tool. They can vary in complexity and can be used for various reasons, but their primary purpose is to organize and categorize data into a logical format. Once this data is entered into the spreadsheet, you can use it to help organize and grow up your business. In business data storage, data shifting and cleanup, assisting with data expert, counting and calculation, user, business administrative task. At the end, thank you.